Have a great day at Kitten School, sweetie.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow.
Look, they opened the sandbox.
Hi, wait for me.
Let's go play before the bell.
I can't wait for story time. Me too.
Did you see the new toys over there? This is gonna be the best day ever. I'm so hungry, I could eat a whole fish!
A little dash of my special seasoning, and they'll never suspect a thing. Go ahead, kids. Today is a special meal just for you.
Guys, this looks so yummy. You should get the same as me.
This hamburger is amazing! I know. The chicken is so crispy, too. Look at my yummy sandwich!
They have no idea what's really in it.
Wow, this is so tasty.
To the best lunch ever!
Cheers! This is so good. Lunch was so yummy today.
You're doing wonderfully. Keep up the good work.
Teacher, my stomach really hurts. My stomach hurts.
Are you all right, sweetie? It seems to be spreading fast.
Are they almost done?
Just a second, I think it's open now.
Oh, finally!
Children, what happened here? We need immediate assistance. Get these kids to the infirmary.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. They all got sick so fast.
We've got this. We need immediate triage over by the playground structure. We need to get them to the hospital immediately.
You're doing so well, sweetie. We're almost there, and everything is going to be all right.
All of the sick children ate lunch at Kitten School. They all ate the same meat from the cafeteria. The tests show signs of spoiled meat and dangerous bacteria.
Welcome, officers. Everything is fine here.
Did you use this meat for today's lunch?
No, of course not. It's not for them.
I used the cheap, spoiled meat. I just wanted to save money. You have the right to remain silent.
are all safe now. The treatment worked.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, nurses.
From now on, all food at Kitten School will be checked very carefully. Your safety is our promise.